Pawpaw Sammy here. Today, my garden medicine kit for May. I'm really hesitant, and I've been holding off on this one, but I'm gonna do it today. Vinegar and salt can be used to kill weeds in your driveway cracks and patio cracks, and it works pretty good. But if you want to get serious with weed killing, Clorox, plain old Clorox. You mix it 1 to 5, one quart of water of Clorox, 5 quarts of water. Take it from there. Uh, the honest thing about this Clorox, it leaves residue in the soil. So don't use it around your garden. Uh, it's just not worth it. And be extremely careful because it'll take out anything it hits. Now, on your patio and your sidewalk, experiment. It can cause discoloring. Now, I got a big ditch out front. Somebody up the street, I don't know who, released a bunch of invasive weeds and lilies and stuff out of an aquarium, and my ditch is full of them. So I got two choices. I can Clorox it about once every 3 or 4 weeks, or I can Roundup every 3 or 4 weeks. It's really not a good way to go. But I'd much rather go with Clorox than I would with Roundup. So, like I said, mix it 1 to 5. 1 part of Clorox, 5 parts of water is a good, weak solution. Takes a little time to work, but it's not as likely to stain, and it does not leave as much residue in the soil. So like and subscribe. Pawpaw Sammy.